Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money using the Flip app, the Flip, Watch, Create and Shop. So here we are at the Play Store, we downloaded. It's available for USA and for Canada, and if you got a VPN you can download it as well. I will leave a link down below. I use NordVPN. So we sign up and here we are in the app. It's loading up and here we are. So it's just a bit like TikTok. So as you can see, here are the videos popping up at the home screen. I cannot show you that for too long because of copyright, but here we are at my profile. So as you can see, you have to complete your profile to even earn money, but I will show you later how it all works. So let's go back and let's show you some more and how this actually works. So here we click on our profile on Watch, and these are the items in the shop. So all these items you can get and buy, and after you buy them you can review them, and with reviewing you can earn money, and also with watching the videos of other people you can earn a balance and you could potentially cash it out. So the balance you get with watching videos, you can actually buy the products so you can review new ones, and with the reviewing you can earn the money. But I'll show that later on. So for example, let's add this one to our basket, our cart, and here we are. It's added to the cart right now, and here are some specs of the product and how you could use it and what's inside and some similar products, and below you can see all advertisers that promote a similar product to this one. So here we are, it's $10, and if you use a coupon it's actually cheaper, and the coupons you can get by watching or either inviting friends. So here we are at my wallet, so you can start earning cash if you create a video. But let's scroll down. Here's all the revenue. I have not made a single revenue, even though it's at 3,000 for some reason. But this is actually how you could do it. I got $8.06 in balance from watching videos. So you can even get a streak and you get $5 of credit when you complete the challenge for that day, and you can do that for multiple days. So as you can see right here, you can see what you saved up in your balance if you buy a product. If you invite someone you get $100 for an invite, and so there are a lot of options to get your balance up. And here are also coupons and on the house. So if you do it on the house you can get actually extra rewards, and yeah, you get free products with every order then. But you have to create a video in 90 days to get silver and watch 150 videos. So it's not hard to get silver. So here we are at the create button. If you buy a product you can share a video review just like the people do on the feed in the app, and then you can earn the cash from views and sales, and you could withdraw that. I will show that in another video, how to withdraw the money you have earned. And that is actually how to do it, and this was a little review of how you could make money with the Flip app. It's a relatively new app, so if you have any questions please leave them down below. I'll try to help you out.